Exodus 15 and verse 2 declares, "The Lord is my strength and my defense. He has become my salvation. He is my God. I will praise him. He's my Father's God. I will exalt him." Exodus 15 and verse 2. Go check it out. Hey, I'm back again, but this time from Exodus 15. Yeah, it tell me say the Lord am his strength, him am my defense, him become my salvation, him am my God. So I will always praise him. Him am my Father's God too. So I will always exalt him. Me always exalt my God. So you better check that one. Exodus 15 and verse 2.